To open User Management, click on the Settings icon on your top right. A drop-down menu will appear. Select User Management. Click on Create User. Or click on Add User at the bottom of the page. Key in the particulars of the user. The password must be at least 8 alphanumeric, a special character, a capital letter and a lowercase letter. Below you can assign roles if you have created them before. These roles can be changed in the future. Later in this video you will learn how to create roles. Click Send Invite. Email request is sent to the user. Status is pending. You can resend or cancel the invitation by clicking on the 3 dots under Action for users who have not accepted the invitation. Proceed to the user list. There you can manage users. Find the user you would like to manage. Click on the 3 dots on the right. You can view user activity, edit user details and roles, or terminate user. By clicking on View User Activity, it will display all activities done by the user. If you want to edit user details, click on Edit User Details and Roles. Key in the changes, then click on Edit, and the changes to the profile will be updated. If you need to terminate user, click on Terminate User and select the reason for termination from the drop-down menu. After that, click on Yes, Terminate User. The termination date will reflect under the user details. You can reactivate the user by clicking on the 3 dots and selecting Reactivate User. The user will be reactivated, and the termination date will disappear. You can search for a user by their name or email ID from the search bar. It is possible to show or hide columns. You can adjust the display of your page by clicking on the Show or Hide columns on your left. Select what you want to display. Let's proceed to the Roles tab. To create a role, click on Create on the right. Key in the role name. Assign modules to the user you want to give access to. For example, you don't want the accountant to have access to other users' details. Select None, so the user can't access this data. You can give viewing, editing, or none access for a particular module according to your wish. Module selected will be auto-populated once you select a module for view or edit. After that, click Save. Congratulations, the accountant's role is saved. There are 2 options to assign a role to your users. You can do it from the roles list. In this scenario, there are 2 roles, and the owner's role is assigned. Click on the role. Then click on Add User. Select the relevant email ID by checking the box and clicking Add User. The owner's role has been assigned to the user in this display. Also, you can assign roles while creating a user by clicking on Enable for the role you want to assign the user from the Assign Role list. You can select multiple roles for each user. Then click on Send Invite. This can be done if the role is already created. Let's proceed to the Data Ownership tab. This data will be of the person who has created the company. You can add more data owners or transfer ownership by clicking on Add Data Owner. Select the name you want to add as an owner and click on Add Data Owner. The owner has been added in. You can terminate the data owner by clicking on the 3 dots and selecting Terminate Data Owner. The termination date will appear once the owner is terminated. To transfer ownership, click on the drop-down arrow on the side of Add Data Owner, then click on Transfer Ownership. Select the email ID you want to transfer the ownership to and click on Transfer Ownership. The ownership will be transferred, and you will still be able to access the company data but will no longer be allowed to make changes to the company profile or edit anything under user management. Congratulations, now you know how to manage users.